Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Golf 1.5 TSI R-Line, a sleek and powerful 5-door with 130 horsepower in a stunning blue exterior. Packed with advanced features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth, and ambient lighting, this Golf ensures a comfortable and connected drive every time. Safety is paramount with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy added conveniences like cruise control and a wireless charging system. This vehicle has been meticulously inspected and serviced to manufacturer standards, complete with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Golf. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.